Hi, welcome back to the last session in the Winter Mindset Moto series. I just wanted to leave you with a concept that I never knew that such a thing existed in my first 10 years of riding a motorcycle. And that is the concept of a road captain in life. So, when you go down the road and you see a bunch of motorcycles kind of making their way and they're all clumped up together, I didn't realize that there was a designated road captain and what that entailed for someone to take on by leading the pack. And he is the one that sets the tone, sets the, where we're going to go to eat, the rules, the parameters of the ride, and you respect that in order to try to keep things safe and simple and focused for the rest of the group. It's a real safety thing. That you have a very good road captain. And there's many different types and mindsets that you will learn to or learn not to agree with. But in taking this time for ourselves to reset our own mind, it's time for us to step up and be our own road captains in life. Otherwise, the path you're on will never feel authentically yours. Because if you're just following someone else and what they value or they feel is valuable, you're never going to feel this was your ride on any level. You'll turn around years later and say, what in the world did I do? I chased a dream. I helped retain someone else's bankroll or whatever their dreams or achievements were. And you never led your own life yourself. And this is knowing yourself, who you are, what's important is always the first step of getting out on the road. Now, as a road captain, we don't understand everything that's going to go on. Stuff happens on the road. Things fall off a truck in front of you. Just things in life will happen, and you have to know kind of how to catch yourself. And you don't learn how to be a road captain overnight, whether you're leading others or leading yourself. So it's a case of practicing and just kind of guessing. We can have an idea of what direction we want to go in. We can have a compass, but that's not going to guarantee that's the route that we're going to be on the whole time. And actually, it's one of the best road captains I have met in my life. He's 82 years old, and I asked him. He goes on the most amazing rides and back roads too. He knows all the roads. It's amazing, and he rides like a bat out of hell. He rides hardcore. You better show up gassed and empty bladder, or you're getting left you're getting left somewhere. He'll lose you, I guarantee. But they're the best, most beautiful rides of back roads I've ever encountered. And we'll leave at like 8:30, 9 o'clock in the morning, getting back at 5, and you're fully exhausted. A short time for break for eating. But the idea is to get the miles and the experience. And I've asked him, how do you know all these roads? The other people that I've ridden with, other groups, they don't know the roads like he does. And he said, a little secret is, I don't know all of the roads. There's always some roads that we've been on that I never knew. I said, well, how do you do that? He said, well, I have a general direction. I have a good idea, north, south, east, and west. And he said, I just accept the fact that sometimes I'm going to come upon a dirt road. Or once in a while, I accept the fact that we may have to turn around. And everyone's going to have to follow me. Everyone's going to have to stop and turn around. And you have to be brave to enter that, because if you're fearful of taking the wrong turn, you'll never lead yourself nor anyone else. You'll always be a follower. And that, to me, was a lesson in just what it takes to shift through the gears in life, take new roads, learn new things, and just be brave on your journey. And that's what I would like to leave you with. That may you not always know the roads that you're going to take, but you will endeavor and you will take the chance of discovering and meeting other people. Because I've met the most interesting people on the road, where they could share some of the most beautiful places to go out of the blue and have had some great experiences and seen some really beautiful, unexpected things in life when we get on the road and we don't always know exactly where we're going. And may you hit your high gears and low gears with the same passion, and embrace who you are, who you want to discover about yourself, and just may your headlight shine bright, and enjoy finding your own road captain within, because it's the small shifts that make the hero. I will see you on the road. And if this is something that you would like to continue, because now we're out of the quiet mindset time of really reflecting on ourselves, and now we're entering the springtime. So there's the next phase within the season. And if you would like to hear more about the spring season, of how we can now bring ourselves out into the world more confidently and less hesitancy, and be more bold and courageous in coming out to who we discovered ourselves to be through listening, journaling, meditating, just all the self-discovery things that we've done now that we know ourselves much better and we're confident in who we are. If you would like to continue this conversation, please write down below what you found interesting and what you would like to learn, and maybe how I could help you to take the next step in this journey of taking what's inside and bringing it out more confidently into the world. And I will see you on the road. Take care. Bye.